Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Angel. For those of you who are new here, I share everything lifestyle, so from fashion and beauty to do-it-yourself, health related, food related, just some of everything that goes on in my life. If that's something that interests you, please click the subscribe button. Okay, so we all love to snack, right? Yeah, we all like junk food. But my husband and I are on a healthy lifestyle journey. So yes, we still snack, and yes, we still like junk food, but what we have to do is we snack on healthy junk food or healthier junk food. So in a sense, it's a lot, we cut out a lot of the fats, a lot of the sugars, but I'm such a taste bud that it still has to taste good to me. Like, I still have to actually like the product for me to snack on it. So today I'm going to share with you the snacks that I enjoy snacking on. It's my junk food. So like throughout the day, I've shared with you guys the meals that I eat, like what I eat in a day, the healthy meals. But this is all about the snacks that I snack on like throughout the day, or when I have the munchies, or when I'm on the go. So let's get started. Okay, so when I have that urge for chips, I usually snack on either these, which are Harvest Snaps. These things are actually pretty good, you guys. Like, you have to taste these. They're made from beans, lentil beans. So my favorite flavor is the tomato basil. Like, this is my number one. Black pepper is my number two. But I really, like, I stock up on tomato basil. Like, in my pantry, I have a lot of them, because I eat them like when I just have to snack. So they're made from beans, so there's your veggie. And they're 40% less fat than regular potato chips. They're more fiber than potato chips and less sodium. And they're gluten-free. And calories from fat from one serving is only 50. So I don't know if you guys can see that. But these things are one of my go-to snacks when I want some chips. My other go-to chip source are these. I like to snack on these. So these are my Dorito dupes, you could say. So these have no artificial ingredients, flavors, preservatives. They are gluten-free. It's like so much less fat than Doritos. Like, your calories from fat is only 60 per serving. These are definitely my go-to for when I want to snack on a Dorito dupe that's a little bit more healthier. Also, I haven't, okay, so let me just say, this is ghost pepper, but my favorite flavor is the ranch, okay? Like, the ranch literally tastes almost like Dorito ranch chips, but they're way more healthier. So, yeah, try them out. The ghost pepper, you know, I can't, they're probably hot, but the ranch is my favorite. So I just didn't have any in stock. I gotta get me some more ranch, but I had these. So you can always snack on fruit. Some of my favorite fruits I love to snack on is definitely pineapples. Pineapples are my number one fruit. I really love pineapples, but I also like watermelons. I do grapes a lot. I just didn't have any in stock. I gotta go get some more. I snack on grapes a lot as well, and oranges and apples. My apples are right here. And a lot of times with my apples, I will do natural peanut butter. You guys can see that, but it's just natural peanut butter. Like, that's great protein, but peanut butter is fattening, so don't overdo it, but it's really good protein. And I'll do that with apples a lot. So and oranges. So any type of fruit is really good. These are just some of my favorites. So I also do a lot of snacking on nuts. Okay, so I don't have a lot left because I've been eating them all. These are pecans. I don't know, can you see that? They're pecans. I snack on pecans, or any other type of nut. Walnuts are really good to snack on as well. These are pumpkin seeds. I snack on these a lot as well. They're very healthy for you. Organic pumpkin seeds, they are the best. You should try them. So any type of nut is good for you. Don't overdo with the nuts though, because they can be very fattening. So don't just sit there and eat a whole bag of nuts in one day. spread it out. I also do yogurt a lot. So if you want a yogurt alternative, this is a great alternative. This is silk almond milk yogurt alternative in strawberry. Now, I just started eating these and I like them. It is an acquired taste, but once you get used to it, you know, they're actually really good. So they're dairy free and soy free. So if you are on a dairy free and soy free diet, this is a great alternative, and I like this one. I haven't tried this one. I bought 2 of these to try. I got a blueberry one and a strawberry one by Ripple. They're soy free, gluten free, lactose free, and it's an alternative. This, however, has 12 grams of protein, and it's plant-based. So I'm interested to see how this one tastes. I have to let you guys know. So follow me on like Instagram. I usually share a lot of my daily opinions there, especially my stories. I share a lot of my meals and stuff that I eat. And I'll let you know if it's good or not. So another on-the-go snack for me are definitely smoothies. Like I showed you guys in my what I eat in a day, my husband do make me smoothies most of the time in the morning. But sometimes when I'm on the go or I just want a different type of smoothie or don't have the time to make a smoothie, then I do a smoothie on the go. My favorite is this one, which is the Boathouse Farms fruit smoothie. 13 servings of fruit. Can you believe that? 13 servings of fruit, literally. And it's 100% fruit smoothie. And this flavor is amazing mango. I love amazing mango. And honestly, like, look at this. 7 mangoes, 3 1/3 apples, 4 1/4 oranges, and 1 1/2 bananas. So it's tons and tons of vitamins in this. It's 100% juice. I try not to do a lot of juice because of the sugars. But if I do any type of juice related drink, it's a smoothie, and it's with 100% fruits in it. No artificial flavors in it. There are no preservatives added. It's gluten free. I try to do as healthy as possible if I just have to have, you know, some like a juice or something. But this is more of a smoothie again. And I only kept, this is the big bottle. I drink this a lot too, because it's really good. The only reason why I kept this big bottle is to show you guys how it looks, but I usually pour it in this and keep it in the refrigerator. It's just I think it's actually pretty in the refrigerator, just keeping it in that. But yeah. So that's how I usually do it, and I just usually pour out some every day, or you know, my smoothie jar, usually if I'm running around or out or something, I keep it in this. So it looks like juice, but it's not juice. It's something healthier than juice. Okay. Also, Naked had some good smoothies. No sugar added. And this one is in Thread Machine. It's 100% juice smoothie. Tons of vitamins in here. Tons of fruit in it as well. I haven't tried this one. I actually just picked this one up. I was going to try this flavor because I've been drinking this one so much, but I haven't. This one was on sale, Kroger, so I was like, sure, let's try it. Again, I'll let you know if I like it on my Instagram stories, so be sure to follow me on Instagram. Okay, so we all love sweets. I know. Well, this is a Lara bar. This is chocolate chip cookie dough. There's only 4 ingredients in this. It's a fruit and nut bar. So, you know, it's way more healthier than a candy bar. Any of the Lara bars, they have tons of flavors. So if you just absolutely have the taste for a candy bar, or you want a candy bar, try to get a healthier type of candy bar. So this is a fruit and nut bar. It's not really candy, but it kind of gives you the sweetness that you want. Also, try any of the sugar-free candies. I eat those as well, like when I just have a sweet taste, but that way it's, you know, no sugar. It's sugar-free. Like Atkins, their stuff is good. Reese's have some sugar-free Reese's. You know, just try different things. Russells have some sugar-free candy. I eat on that too a lot, especially the coconut, because they're really good. I don't have any because I done ate all mine, but I've ate them a lot. They compare to the Almond Joys, but they're just healthier. Here's another, these Brownie Brittles. So this is a really good snack when you just want like something sweet. But these are gluten-free. Yes, they're gluten-free, but they taste really good. It tastes like a cookie. It's like a brownie cookie, and it's certified. It's really good. So, and if I have to have just some candy, or you know, a lot of times when you see somebody put candy in their mouth, you want some candy in your mouth. Like you see people chewing gum, you want some gum. Well, I snack on these if I just have to have me like something in my mouth to just wake me up. These are sugar-free candies, and these came from Dollar Tree, guys. Yes, Dollar Tree. And they're good. Like, they are really good. Like, the different flavors, I really like these. So, if somebody put a Jolly Rancher in their mouth, and I'm like, oh my God, okay, so I want something to suck on, I'll just get this from my purse and put it in my mouth, you know. So, they're really good, and they're sugar-free. So, yeah. So, those are my junk foods. Those are the things that I snack on, you know, when I just need a crunch or a munch or something sweet, you know. They're just more healthier choices. Again, we are on a healthy lifestyle journey. So we don't look at it as a diet. We look at it as a lifestyle change. So habits. So instead of eating on chips, we eat on more healthy snacks. Instead of eating on candy bars, we eat on more healthy snacks. That's not as damaging as what we really want. So it's an acquired change. It's an acquired habit. Again, it's a lifestyle change. It's a journey. So making little bitty changes in your life, you would be surprised at what it will do to your body. You just will see weight start to drop off. 80% of weight loss is eating right, eating better, eating healthy. Literally, we work out, okay? But from January to February, we went a whole 5-6 weeks without even working out. But we just dropped weight because of our eating habits. We literally went on a really big lifestyle change. And the weight just dropped off, and everybody's like, oh my God, y'all losing so much weight. What are y'all doing? That's what we do. We make a conscious effort to make a habit of eating correct or better choice items. So there's your junk foods. Healthy, easy, can help you lose weight. Find choices like that. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it. If you want to see more, like it. Let me know, leave me a comment. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching and joining me on this journey. Also be sure to check out my other videos, like what I eat in a day, as well as some healthy desserts. Also some healthy fried foods. So, because we all get that taste for some fried food. And I'm a country girl. I'm a southern girl, so I love my country fried food. But I had to find a way to eat it in a more healthy way. And I showed you all of that in the video, so check that out. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.